Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming you have a full backup and enough free space. You cannot recreate a recovery partition without the source image. Once done, mount or burn the matching Windows 10 ISO to a USB drive and boot tools. Open an elevated command prompt and use diskpart or disk management to identify the system and recovery disks. Make the recovery partition visible if hidden. Then create an empty NTFS partition of 45600 MB for the recovery environment. Now you populate that new partition. You assign a drive letter, create the recovery /Windows re folders, and copy the WinRe. WIM from the mounted ISO or install. WIM into place. This file provides the actual recovery environment. Make sure permissions and attributes are correct so Windows can read it at boot. Next, you run reagent to point Windows at the new WinRe location and enable it. If reagent reports success, the system knows where to find recovery. If not, check paths and file system type. Finish by removing the temporary drive letter and changing the partition type to the Windows recovery GUID so it's hidden and protected. Reboot and press the recovery key to validate WinRe launches. Then create a fresh system image or recovery drive to confirm restore paths work. If anything fails, check the BCD store with bcdedit and ensure the WinRe path matches, run chkdsk on the partition, and recopy WinRe. WIM if corruption appears. These steps fix most registration or boot recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.